Good morning, good afternoon, good evening sa lahat ng mga kapanood ng video na ito, lalong-lalo na sa iyo, Sir Kai. So, our group came up with the idea of e-massage, wherein application that offer opportunity for therapies and convenience for the clients. So, before we proceed with the group idea, let me formally introduce our group. So, we are Group 10 and the member of it are Joshua Tubillo, together with Mr. Hamila, Mr. Bunyon, Mr. Lontok, and Mr. Sidario. Ano ba ang e-massage app? E-massage app is a tool na pwedeng mag-connect sa client and therapist para makapag-book ng schedule or massage. So when clients wants to have a home service massage, magbabrowse lang sila sa app and then pwede na silang pumili kung ano ang gusto nilang massage. And also, hindi lang yun. Pwede rin silang pumili ng preferred nilang therapist. Pero it can limit the same gender for safety purposes. So, how our group come up with this idea? Our group spotted a problem for the therapist na limited lang yung kanilang network. So, limited ang kanilang network, limited lang din ang tao na pwede nilang pag-offer ng service nila. So, ang app na ito ay para sa mga therapist na pwede nilang ma-offer ang service nila without even knowing totally the clients. So, let's proceed with the target market. Our target market ages 25 to 50 years old because sila ay may kailangan ng relaxation and madalas sa ganyang edad, masakit na yung likod. And the occupation is hardworking professional because at the end of the day, this is business. We need monetary value to continuously operate our business. In our target location, we cater only temporary, just temporary, Makati, BGC, and Mandaluyong because that is the location na marami ang office-based and professional.
Standby 87.
What we really offer. Service offerings. What we really offer. We offer conveniency to the clients who wants to have a hassle-free booking for the massage. And also, we offer trust since the details of the therapist is in the apps. They can leave a review for the therapist to enhance their relationship to the clients. To the therapist, we offer convenience and opportunity to perform their skills and enhance it.
Okay, in our domain name strategy, we name our website as emassage.com.ph because the word massage is a term for relaxation. And also, hindi na siya mahirap tandaan. Meron din kami sinama dito na .ph because we only cater people from Philippines in Metro Manila. So this will enhance the search engine optimization na kapag Pilipino ang nagsisearch